John's here from Tyrrell. We're at Tierra Nova, or Nova Tierra in Papunya. We're going out today. Three wise men.
Samal Island.
Samal Island. There we go.
Here we come, Samal Island.
So here we come somewhere else. Oh, there's an aeroplane. Oh, it's early. There's John's car. There we go. There's John. This is boys' day out. Ma'am, kumusta ka?
Buti naman.
Oh, what are you selling? Vegetables?
Vegetables.
What vegetables do you have for sale today?
A lot. Have the
Sayote,
Thai, sayote. I don't know.
calamansi, sayote. Oh, very, very nice. Nice to see you, Ma'am.
Nice to see you though.
Tao? Ta.
Nice to see you too.
Good to see you. Where do you live, Ma'am? Here?
Here, there.
Oh, I'm going to see George and Maria.
Hi, your friends.
Yeah, they're down here. Okay, see you in a minute. There we go. There's George and John chilling out. I wonder what will happen to all these barges when the coastal bridge gets built. There we go. How hot. Okay, so we're at Ocean View. John's having a chat with the girl, saying how much would it cost to spend 3 nights with 3 guys. I jokingly said we're not 3 gays, we are 3 amigos, 3 friends. Ah, dear me. So this is Ocean View. You go through Babak, and you keep driving up past Montfort back caves, keep going up through Commodore, and this is on the side of the road on the left hand side, about 12 kilometers, 13 kilometers from Babak. You got this swimming area here, harbour area, yacht club which is over here, swimming pool, baby pool. The pool is open. You've got some lovely grounds. You've got a lovely little seating area. No restaurants here. That's what I find a little bit weird. It's most probably a little resort. It is nice.
August 15 to 18.
3 days
3 days.
for 3 gay boys.
2 for 3 boys, 2 breakfasts, and 2,500 a night.
All right. So you heard it from John. It's 2,500 pesos a night. You get a free breakfast. Is that for the room or for 2 people?
For 3 people. 3.
For 3 people. There we go.
That's room, yeah.
So 2,500 for you, 2,500.
No. That's room, 2,500
Oh, there we go. That's not too bad, is it? 2,500.
for room.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I spend here. I like it. I like it in here. I spend.
Yeah. What, is there a restaurant?
over there. Restaurant is over there.
Oh, those little
There.
tents over there is the restaurant. You can sit there and you can become your lovey-dovey. You do a
Good
little...
for breakfast, but no good for lunch and dinner.
No good for lunch or dinner?
But anyway, when I was in here, there
Yeah.
was very little people in here.
Well, there doesn't look like
they're
there's a lot of
running
people
there, I
now.
think skeleton time, and they just serve you what they've got. You go order something, and they order something else.
So you can get some rice and you can get some tocino and you can get some bacon.
I wish.
I wish. What a view, yeah?
Yeah.
What a view.
In night time, you can see the lights and everything.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Come here, this is good shot.
Kumusta ka, kuya?
Kumusta?
Mailman?
Mayo man?
Mailman?
Very good.
Huh?
Very good.
Hey. Your wife?
Yeah.
I'm his wife.
Good. Where's the babies?
Asawa.
There.
Asawa?
Anak.
They're good.
Anak.
They're not babies, they're big, huh?
Oh, they're big. They're big.
Ah,
Ladies.
ladies.
Ah,
Oh, what is your name?
my name is Len.
Hello, Len. And you live here?
No, I live in Tagum City.
Tagum.
Yeah.
Tagum. And you are staying here?
Yeah. Oh, only one night.
One night?
Yeah.
Okay. And your children have finished school?
Yeah.
Okay. So why did you take Ocean View? Why did you pick here?
For relaxation.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. There we
Stress
go.
relief.
Stress relief?
Ah.
Oh, shopping.
Where you came
Stress
from?
relief.
Yeah.
Davao. So, the restaurant we were going to, which is Zuka, which is in Samal, is closed. We went to another restaurant, but they don't have any beer or soft drinks. This one, which is 350 meters from where we parked the car, you can get food. It's becoming more and more difficult to get food in Babak. Hot, tasty, wholesome food. You can buy all the Caranderia stuff, but you don't do the drinks. So we found this restaurant here, and it's called Mum. What is the name of the restaurant? The name of the restaurant?
In a salsa babak.
In a salsa babak. Salamat.
There's your water, sir.
I want
Botella?
No, I want a bottle.
Bottle.
Mineral water.
Yeah. No service. John's got that. He can have a bath before he goes home. So we just had lunch. Really, really nice. Hello, Kuya. Kumusta ka? Okay lang? Ma'am, init kayo, ha? Oh. Bye-bye. Oh, init kayo. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye-bye.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Come and see this young lady. Look. Oh, dear me. YouTube. So there we go. We had a nice lunch. 3 bits of chicken, chop suey. Pugi, ¿cómo está? Hello, ma'am. Ooh. There we go. It's really hot outside. The food here is absolutely stunning. Really, really, really good. John's putting on his hat. It's here in Babak. You can't go wrong. You need to eat. You okay, Pugi? Who are you?
Ralph.
Nice to meet you, Ralph. Salamat. Hello, Mom. How is school?
Fine.
Very good?
Yes.
Make sure you do your results properly. Study hard. Oh,
Walk the plank. Walk the plank now.
walk the plank. Oh, hello, Mom. So here we are. Insalala, bye-bye. Had a great meal here. Really, really nice. Now we've got to go 300 metres this way to turn around and sort what's going on. I'm walking the plank. This is Babak at 1:30 in the afternoon.
Get one up there.
Where is he? He's off walking. Well, Samal, we're here, Babak. I've just been to 3 coffee shops. One is here, tea and milk tea. The other one is over here, and we're going to the third one now. None of them do hot coffee. They don't do hot tea. All they do is cold tea, as in cold milk tea. I don't know how you can make tea without having hot, but that's a surprise. 7-Eleven's on the left-hand side. That's where you can get the up-and-coming coffee latte, coffee americana, in Samal, in the city of Babak. It's busy here today. It's I'm walking because I really can't be bothered to get in a car again to the coffee shop. It's near Mercury Drug, and I got to go left towards Penaplata and Tapatian. So I'm on this junction here. So it's a little bit weird being told that you can't actually get coffee, hot coffee. So the road is closed. You got the jeepneys of life. They're all queuing up. The market is over here. The beachfront is over here. Mercury Drug is hey Goya, ¿cómo está acá? Hey Joe, ¿cómo está? Okay lang. Mercury Drug. Mercury Drug.
This way, this way.
This way?
This way.
Okay.
This way is just the way.
Salamat, thank you very much. Huh? I do vlog, yeah. Vlogger, Goya. Go on there. What do you shout out? Come on, shout out. What is your name?
Alan Pasos.
Alan.
Pasos.
This is Alan Pasos from Babak in Samal Island.
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay, Salamat Goya. Take care. Mercury Drug this way. Salamat. This is Micah. Micah, is this the only coffee shop in Babak?
I don't know.
We've been to 2 other coffee shops. Do not do hot coffee. Only do iced coffee. They don't do init.
Sure.
Yeah.
You must try our coffee.
We're here to try your coffee because you're the only one that does hot coffee.
Oh, okay.
The rest of them don't do hot coffee.
Okay, we will just prepare this your coffee and
Okay.
we'll serve. Thank
Okay.
you.
Mum, do you live in Babak?
What do you want?
Cake?
Cake? You want a cake?
No, just at lunch. I got no room for cake. I got no room for cake. My God, I just want a cup of coffee. Is it that hard to get a cup of coffee in Babak? Yes, it is. Yeah, it's like trying to find